Here we have a pre-owned 2017 Buick Enclave. This one comes in the leather trim level in Ebony Twilight Metallic on black leather seats. And the powertrain of this Enclave is going to consist of a 3.6 liter naturally aspirated V6 engine made into a 6-speed automatic transmission. There's our front end there. We have our high intensity discharge headlamps. And then we have our LED fog lights. And down here we have 19-inch aluminum wheels. And here are the controls for the power door locks, windows, and mirrors. And then we also have our memory seat functions here. And there is the power driver's seat with power lumbar support. So there's our second row legroom, pretty good. And then we have rear AC controls, the 12 volt, and then 2 USB charging ports. And there's a view of the third row. Let's go ahead and check out the back. There's our back end there, have a dual exhaust. Then we're gonna go ahead and open the power lift gate. And there's our trunk space behind the third row. And then we can just pull this here to fold the third row flat on both sides. And then we can use this strap, pull them back up, lock them back into place. And we also have a 12 volt right here. Now onto the front passenger seat. That's also going to be powered with power lumbar support. Now we're gonna pop the hood. And there's that 3.6 liter direct injection V6. Now we're gonna hop in the driver's seat. So we have a nice wood grain and leather wrapped heated steering wheel, which feels really nice. But over to our radio, we have AM, FM, and XM, along with Bluetooth audio. And then we even have our CD drive. And you can use an aux or a USB if you want to as well. There's our backup camera. And then the guidelines turn along with the steering wheel. And down here we have our dual zone automatic climate controls. And then we have 3-level heated seats, excuse me, for the driver and front passenger. We can either do the seat bottom and the seat back, or just the seat back. And then we have a USB input along with the 12 volt. And this is our shifter. We hit this button behind, pull down, reverse, neutral, drive, and then low mode. And then we can manually shift in low mode. And there's our center console cubby space. We have this removable tray. Then we have a 12 volt down there as well. So I really like how they utilize the storage in this model. And we have a little tray up there. And as you can see, you can move the armrest, which is always nice. There's a view of the back seat from up here. And there's our glove compartment with our owner's manual in there. I have additional storage. Now to the steering wheel, we have the heated steering wheel toggle here. And then these are our cruise controls. And then to the right side of the steering wheel, we can change our source. We have Bluetooth controls here. And we can also toggle the track list there, or the radio station favorites. And then we have our volume controls right there. Windshield wiper controls. And there's our gauge cluster. And as you can see, this model has 79,100 miles on it. And then we can go through the gauge cluster by hitting those buttons there. And we can even toggle some of our safety features. And then we can see the tire pressure. And then we have a turn key with our fob here that also has remote start. And next we're gonna go ahead and take this Enclave out on the road for a quick test drive. So really liking how this Enclave is driving so far, even with over 79,000 miles. Really easy to drive. And I really like how this 6-speed shifts as well. Very smooth. Give it a little throttle here. And really good passing power without having to get really high up in the RPM range. And a really smooth ride coming down the interstate. I mean, this ride quality is really fantastic. It really does ride like a Buick should. And really simple brake pedal feel. You just put your foot down and it goes along with how the vehicle should stop. You don't have to put your foot down too much or be careful with it. We'll give it some throttle coming out of this corner. And I really like the sound that comes from the engine. It's not necessarily beefy, but it sounds nice, especially for this kind of luxurious vehicle. And even though it doesn't have tons of power like maybe upper class BMW or Mercedes would, it still has a really practical setup. So you can accelerate when you need to, and then you're getting a little better fuel mileage. So mid-20s on the highway you can expect. But I really just love this ride quality. Just a really unintrusive ride. You can feel the bumps, but they're just really dampened in a way that only a Buick could do. And I'm glad that the suspension is still holding up after 79,000 miles without any issue. This will bring me to the end of my review of the 2017 Buick Enclave Leather.